Hi, welcome to SellerSonar. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can generate reports in your SellerSonar account. So once you're logged into your SellerSonar account, you will have the option to generate different types of reports. So for example, you can go here first on the products page, select your preferred filters for your product data that you need to download. For example, you want to check on products that are currently suppressed. Okay, so the system's going to give you all the products that you're tracking under that status, product suppressed, or search suppressed rather. Then if you need to download these data, you can just click here, checkbox, click on export on the top right corner. And then select your preferred file, either CSV or XLXX file. You can also go to the competitors page, set up your preferred filters for your competitor data that you want to download. So for example, you want to check on products that has the Amazon Choice badge, hit apply. Okay, now click on checkbox over here. Then click export on the top right corner and select your preferred file. You can also go to the buy box tracker page. Again, set up your preferred filters and also your preferred time period. And then once you're done setting up your preferred filters, again, click on export, top right corner, select your preferred file. You can do the same with the keyword tracker over here. You have the option to either click all the keywords that you're tracking, or you select preferred keywords or your preferred filters over here. You can also search keywords by products and export them individually over here, or click on the checkbox over here. You can also check here in the heat map tab and select your preferred keywords also. Just select your preferred filters and then click on export on the top right corner over here. So for example, I have this one, click export top right corner, select your preferred file. Same works with the alerts tab over here. You can select your preferred filters and click export on the top right corner. Same works with the reviews page. Select your preferred filters, then click on export. And once you're done selecting your preferred data and exporting it, you can just go to the settings page, click on reports tab, then you'll see all the data that you have exported from the previous pages earlier. So for example, we have here the products file, which is from the products page data that we've exported earlier. So you'll be able to see the time and date it was generated. And you will also see the status if it's already ready for download. If you also click on this icon, the preview icon, you'll be able to see how the file looks like. Just this one. And if you're satisfied already and want to download it, just click here on this icon. Click download. Then it's going to start downloading on your browser. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the actual file data, how it looks like. We also have here the competitor file, which is from the competitor's page data that we have exported also earlier. So you have the option to see also the preview on how it looks inside the file. So click on it. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay. Same goes with the buy box report from earlier, which is this one. Also with the product keyword export that we did earlier, it's this one. Okay. We also have here for the reviews sample. And so on. So once you see the status of the files that is already ready for download, you can just click these buttons here anytime. Please take note as well that These reports are only stored in your account for like 60 days. So after this one, it gets automatically deleted. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching.